それでは東京都から広尾学園中学校のプレゼンテーション、テーマは世界のまだ誰も知らない問題へのアプローチです。広尾学園の皆さんどうぞ。
What do you imagine when you hear the word research? University, laboratory, thesis, Nobel Prize, or there might be some people who have no idea. For us, research is a very special word that means creating ideas and verifying each of them. My name is Miyotoki. Look at this background. Those are pictures of our school's laboratories where we usually learn. There's a variety of equipment we can use. This is our presentation content. First, I would like to tell you about our motivation for our research. As for me, I learned that Mr. Yamanaka's IPS cells are saving lives of many people, and it made me enter広尾学園medical and science course. Some students has their own reason to do research. In medical and science course, each group has their own theme conducting research. Now, let me introduce two of the research projects. First, Mia Hagiwara, are you ready?
Yes. Hi, I'm going to explain our research on plants. Look at these plants. These are very important Arabidopsis plants we are raising. Arabidopsis plants are weeds that are being studied all over the world because they grow quickly. Look at this picture. The red one is wild type, and white one is mutant CAT428 that mutated with chemicals. These chemicals are for making mutations, not harming people. When they're exposed to light for only 8 hours a day, this red part of CAT428 becomes longer. What do you think I can understand from these little plants? By researching the properties of CAT428, we can adjust the leaf size. CAT428 is grown only in our skull, and the genes haven't been elucidated that change the shape of the leaves. If we can find them, we can use this discovery to manage food shortage.
Thank you, Miyu. Next, Honami Itabashi, your turn.
Hi, I'm Honami. I'm researching about amidakuji with the number theory team. Amidakuji is kind of lottery in Japan. There may be people who think like this. Why do amidakuji's research belong to the number theory team? Because it can add like numbers. Amidakuji is like this. First, choose one number, and if you find horizontal line, turn right like this. Finally, you will come to the certain number. We can express the amidakuji's result by permutation. In the below stage, we write the result like this. And as one of the interesting points of amidakuji, the result will be same even if it looks different. A becomes A dash and B becomes B dash. Using this rule, we can change C into C dash. It will be possible to elucidate the method with amidakuji with the smallest number of horizontal line from permutation. We have been thinking express amidakuji as a formula. Effectively, we create amidakuji more quickly. To find roots is our aim.
Thank you, Honami. I'd like to have a question. What do you think about research?
Through our research, we have learned to do it ourselves. Not learning passively, we do our research for ourselves actively. Also, we believe research is useful. There are various difficulties, but we make effort for the future. If our research results have positive results, someone may use them. So ours might be one of the tiny steps to help others.
In this way, research can not only influence just junior high school students, but also could be useful for the world. We think there are students who want to do research in Japan. They need academic advisors and experimental facilities. But what if they do not have them now? What can we do?
What can we do? Attend research events, build a non-profit organization. We decided to create a site on the internet to share scientific information so that we can cooperate with university professors. The site name is Research Site to Change the World. We are now thinking of involving active and retired professors to consult or hold events for research. Hopefully, in the future, we could contact with overseas students and professors.
Lastly, this is our message. Research changes the world. Would you also change the world? Thank you for your listening.
ありがとうございました。横山先生からご質問どうぞ。
I think a research process consists of usually two things: finding problem, solving the problem. Usually, in that case, and you focus on a very important proposal, kind of platform, where a lot of institutes, a lot of individual researchers get together on the platform, they exchange ideas and opinions. Is that right? That is one way to find problems, unknown problems. Then, important thing is that how to encourage researchers, institutions to take advantage of such platform. Is there any good way to encourage them to participate in the platform? A lot of people should use that platform on the site, the computer site, is that right? How to make more people come to the platform.
We are thinking of visiting university to spread site, and we are going to gather students who want to first participate.
植木さんどうぞ。
My question is the platform of the internet. You would like to change the world through the internet platform, right? Now, so many people join to the platform, or you would like to change through the platform. So how can you join all over the world? There's so many people coming to the platform or not, or through the how you will join to the another country's people. Just
I'm going to visit overseas university too, and I want to know other people, the site. Yeah.
please teach me how to change the world through the platform.
research can change the world. So we want to change the world by research. If the science spread all over the world, many people do research, and I think it will change the world.
Thank you
あり
very
がとうござい
much.
ます。マクベス先生どうぞ。
Very much. Quite a few of my students, when I mention research or the research paper Sotsuron, their reaction is yuck. They run away from it, they don't like it at all. So I'm wondering, do you think research can be fun and exciting?
I'm enjoying my research. When I'm very happy when the experiment succeed.
Great, so it's about the excitement of discovering new information, new things, right?
Yes.
That's great. Okay, keep it up.
Thank
はい、あ
you.
りがとうございました。広尾学園中学校の皆さんでした。どうもありがとうございました。